Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 21. Okay, so it's a parallel and perpendicular with geometry figures. Okay, so sometimes the linear function belong to the algebra, and then geometry is belong to the a circle is belong to the geometry. These things never talk. However, some questions will link them together. Okay, let's see this question here. The line 4x minus 5y plus 27 equal to 0 come into the contact with the circle at the point -3 and 3. Okay, the center of the circle at the point is a and -2, finding the value of a. Okay, so these questions is relatively hard. Okay, so if you don't know how to do these questions, it's perfectly normal, don't panic. And then it's also require you some background information about the geometry with circles. Okay, there is one identities. So if you don't know these things, I don't blame you. You might gonna learn soon enough. Okay, if you know these things, good for you. All right. So if we have a tangent line, and then we using from the circle to the tangent point, we're making a line. This is radius, okay? The radius to reaching the tangent point. So this degree must be 90, okay? That must be right angles all the times. The tangent line, we got tangent point on the circle. From the central to the circle, we got the radius. The radius is going to perpendicular to the tangent line. That is the one of the rules for geometry circles. Okay, if you don't know these ones, it's okay. So I'm telling you right now. Then we're gonna use these things to finish question what we have here. Okay, so how do we find a here? In order to find a, we need to find a line equations. All right. So if we don't have a line equations here, we cannot find a. So how to find the line equation here? Easy. We got a perpendicular line here, right? That means we got our slope here, this line slope. That's how much? Moving 5y to the other side will be 5y equal to 4x plus 27, and then y is supposed to equal to 4 over 5x, and then plus 27 over 5. I don't care these numbers, I just care about these numbers. 4 over 5 is our slope. It's this one slope, okay? Our slope supposed to equal to -5 over 4. If you don't know how to do this one, go back to check 17 to 20s, okay? I have very detailed explanation there. -5 over 4, that is the slope as our line. Okay, we also have a point. Nice, we got a point, we got a slope. We can finding the slope intercept forms or slope point forms, anything. Okay, we can use slope point forms. -5 over 4, and then x minus -3, which is x plus 3, going to y minus 3. That is the slope point forms of our line, right? Good. In order to finding the a, we apply a's into the x positions, the -2 as the y position, and then we finished. Okay, so we put -2 on these positions. We got -2 minus 3 is a -5, and then -5 over 4, and then x is how much? X is a, right? A plus 3. Okay, good. And then we can times the 4 both terms, or we can times -4 both terms. Okay, we got a -4, which is 20 here. That's -4, which is a 5, a plus 3. Then a equal to 20 divided by 5 is a 4, and a plus 3 equal to 4, and a equal to 1. That's how to find out a values. Okay, so I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, please leave comment. I will answer your question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.